Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to fix this laptop error. DIMM B error is shown on screen. Now scan this barcode and check full detail this error. Okay. Now I am going to show you how to fix this error. Open laptop back cover. I am already open back cover. Now you see on screen this is our laptop RAM slot. Remove RAM from slot. Okay. Now check here RAM slot name is DIMM B. I'm rotate the screen. Wait. Okay. Now check DIMM B slot. This error is shown on screen. Okay. Now install RAM DIMM A slot or fix this error. Okay. Now install RAM in this DIMM slot. Okay. Now install RAM. Press OK. After this, close cover and power on laptop. Now check on screen display is working. Now window is loading. Please wait. Okay. Now you see laptop is working condition right now. Okay. That's it. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.